Hi friends, I'm ready to decorate my scripture writing / faith planner for the week of December 17th. I still have some leftovers from the dolls I used from last week that have the plaids, and I kind of still want to hang on to them. I think they match with the red and the black and white really nicely, but I wanted to mix in some of the dolls that I had from earlier in the fall. I am in love with these colors, and I feel like the burgundies and the pinks go well together. So I'm going to do a mix match of both of them and hopefully come up with a gorgeous spread for the week. So join me. So getting started, I cut out my printables from Print Pray Slay. I like to fussy cut because it's relaxing and my shears make it really easy. Because of the amount of space it takes up, I like to start with my washi first so that I can see how much pattern and color I have to balance. After the washi, the element that will take up the most space will be the dolls, so I figure out where I want to put those, and then the floral wreaths. I jumped ahead to where I've already laid down those stickers, and now I'm just going to arrange the flowers until I get the colors balanced and in an arrangement I like. Having the planner benefits me because if I only plan to read the textbook, I wouldn't have an accountability. This way, the empty spaces show me the days I did not do it, and I do feel good about having a full spread, so it motivates me to continue. Thought it would be nice to show you an after the pen as well. This is something I attempt to do daily, although sometimes I get behind. I didn't want to make you sit through that, so I condensed it. First, I write the scripture and think about how it can be applied. And then I read the application on that scripture and think about how I can make it personal. I abbreviate it so I can write it in the confines of the space. I'm in love with all the printables I get from Print Price Slay, and I use them for my Bible journaling and my planner. I want to help you start a collection too. Down in the description, there's a coupon code so you can save 15% off your next order. If you'd like more tips and inspiration on how you can be a better me too, subscribe here on YouTube and follow me on Instagram at the links below.